The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Beast Mode is here, and it's rewriting the rules of what a futuristic truck should be. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an all-out revolution. With an ultra-aggressive design, enhanced power, and cutting-edge technology, Tesla has unleashed its wildest version of the Cybertruck yet. Auto Igniters brings you the exclusive breakdown of what makes this beast stand out from the rest. Imagine a Cybertruck that looks even more intimidating, with sharper edges, an even bolder stance, and a never-seen-before beast mode that takes performance to a whole new level. Stealth gray paint gives it a sinister look, and with a reinforced exoskeleton, it feels like it's built for an apocalypse. The signature LED light bar now features an advanced adaptive lighting system, making nighttime driving look straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla has taken its insane engineering to the next level, packing this beast with a quad-motor setup that delivers an earth-shattering 1,000-plus horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, this monster can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, making it faster than most supercars on the road today. The advanced all-wheel drive system and active suspension adapt to any terrain, turning this into the ultimate off-road machine. Whether you're on rugged mountains, deep snow, or desert dunes, Beast Mode ensures you dominate every landscape effortlessly. The Cybertruck Beast Mode isn't just about power, it's about intelligence. Tesla's latest AI-driven autopilot technology is more advanced than ever, offering full self-driving capabilities with enhanced obstacle recognition and ultra-precise navigation. The massive 18-inch infotainment screen inside is now fully customizable, offering real-time performance data, gaming capabilities, and seamless connectivity with Tesla's ecosystem. Stepping inside the Beast Mode's cabin feels like entering a next-gen spaceship. A luxurious minimalist interior, high-end sustainable materials, and a panoramic glass roof give it an ultra-premium vibe. The seating is now even more ergonomic, with built-in heating, cooling, and Tesla's new, zero-gravity, comfort tech, making long rides feel effortless. The yoke-style steering wheel remains, but Tesla has refined its handling for even smoother control. One of the most jaw-dropping features of the Cybertruck Beast Mode is its next-gen battery technology. Equipped with Tesla's latest high-density battery pack, this beast delivers an insane 500-plus miles of range on a single charge. And thanks to ultra-fast charging capabilities, you can get 80% charge in just 15 minutes, making range anxiety a thing of the past. The solar roof panel option adds extra miles when parked under the sun, giving it an eco-friendly edge while maintaining maximum performance. But what truly sets Beast Mode apart is its advanced cyber defense system. Tesla has integrated next-level security with biometric authentication, AI-driven anti-theft measures, and even a Sentinel Shield mode that deploys active deterrent measures if someone tries to break in. It's like having a futuristic security guard 24/7. And if that wasn't enough, the Beast Mode can be remotely operated using Tesla's AI assistant, allowing you to summon your Cybertruck from a parking spot like a real-life sci-fi movie. Off-road enthusiasts will be thrilled to know that this beast is built to handle anything thrown its way. With massive 38-inch rugged all-terrain tires, reinforced underbody protection, and an air suspension system that lifts the truck for extreme rock crawling, the Cybertruck Beast Mode is ready to take on any adventure. The new adaptive traction system ensures maximum grip on any surface, whether it's mud, sand, or ice, giving you absolute control in the wildest conditions. Tesla has also taken customization to another level, offering factory-built modification packages including off-road accessories, heavy-duty towing enhancements, and even an integrated camping setup with a fold-out solar-powered tent and kitchenette. Whether you want to turn your Cybertruck into a rugged expedition vehicle or a high-performance city beast, the options are limitless. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Beast Mode isn't just a truck, it's a revolution. With a design that turns heads, performance that shames supercars, and technology that feels like it's from another dimension, this is the future of electric vehicles. Tesla has once again shattered expectations, proving that the Cybertruck is more than just a viral sensation, it's a game-changer. Auto Igniters is bringing you the first look at this insane machine, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe for more exclusive updates. The Cybertruck Beast Mode is here, and the world of trucks will never be the same again.